This is a 6-axis laser system, a custom, bespoke build that is once again pushing the limits of what laser technology can do. See, companies come to us all the time with some pretty big challenges, and we come up with some very inventive solutions. And I'm gonna give you a tour of this one. All right, first of all, 6 axes? Are you crazy? No. Remember, an axis is anything that interacts with the laser on its way towards your material. We've got a 3-axis scan head in here, so the galvo mirror has perfectly repositioned the X and the Y, but you can also change the focus with an internal dynamic optic. All right, so that's 3. Where's the other 3? This whole thing can move. It's on gantries that allow it to move up and down and in and out, giving us 2 more axes of control. So where's number 6? Number 6 is this, which, believe it or not, is a rotary plate. This means that it can rotate whatever it is that you're marking as much or as little as you want as part of the process. This kind of laser system 3D printer gantry combo gives you ultimate flexibility in marking. It is unbelievably cool. Now, you might look at this and go, guys, I hate to break it to you, but it's on its side. You built it the wrong way up. No, we didn't. We built it the correct way up if you want to have lots of flexibility about how tall a part you want to mark. Putting the laser scan head above something limits how tall it can be, but putting it to the side of something means it can be way, way taller. That's why this whole thing is attached to these gantries and rotary devices, is so that you can mark something of basically any height. We can take our entire laser systems and flip them on their sides to make them work for you. We've barely even touched on the laser that's inside here. It's a 60-watt MOPA Fiber, and as you know, all of our fiber lasers have these 17 waveforms of flexibility. And once you've got it all set up, all of the gantry motion can be configured to the job you're doing. So once you know what it is you're doing, you place your part, you press a button, and all of the individual components of the laser move exactly how they're meant to get you the perfect result. This technology is wild. And there's another small detail that's just really fun. If you look up at the top here, you might look at it and think, guys, you've missed a bit. There's a bar missing. This is all clear deliberately so that you can load it with a crane. The rotary plate down here is capable of taking up to 100 kilograms in weight. So you're gonna need something to actually lift the parts in and out. And that is why this is clear, so that you can load in whatever you want. Speaking of this really cool sideways door, can I use it to cut my fingers off? Nope. As soon as it detects anything in the way, it will go back the other way. How cool is that? But once it's closed, you have a nice clear window that means you are able to see exactly what's going on with your part marking and make sure that everything is going to plan. And then once you're done, the door will open up and reveal your part. This kind of machine is pushing the boundaries of what laser technology can do, but frankly, so is every single other one in this build room. And as you can tell from how busy it is, there are a lot of companies investing heavily in this kind of tech. So if you're looking for a laser solution, but you're not quite sure if it can do it, chances are we can, guys.